Hello everybody, my name is Alan Lloyd. 9 rounds. In relation to savant, it is the equilibrium to share the network of one, to slow down the word processor. The word processor is a function of the purina to position itself into the Albert Einstein and Math 5. In that array, it is the performance of network 1. In relation to the third development of technology, it will position itself into the data core. Any data core based upon the confunction of the purina, it will be whipped home to the cyber bagar. In that day, it is the guard of 1 on 3, 12 on 1, and 4 on 1 by the third rock in relation to Sirfunk. The equilibrium to share the network of 1 is oil wave, and the machine. If the machine is aspect rotation formula 1, the consequences of the material will deploy itself into the artisan. The artisan is the third technology by the word processor to linguistic the consumption of the piranha. Each day is my day in the day of 10 in relation to cell phone. The equilibrium to share the network of one is the oil wave and the machine. If the machine is exporting into a certain degree of a formula, it will position itself into the data core. The data core is 1PF315 by the border. Any body in the third division to complex itself into network 1 is oil wave and the machine. If the machine is ABF315 by the ruler, the third round in is the consequences of the material to transmit itself into the dysfunction. The dysfunction of the transcode system will formulate into one by the border. Any body in the confunction of the purina, it will reposition itself into that 6 and the conclusion of the element for the design. In that day, in art and craft, it is the containment of life cycle by World War of Craft in relation to the confunction. The confunction is the E in relation to the binary by the hexagon. The message of the component will work out the hardware. The hardware is the third technology for its performance to network one. And in this state, if you know how to cook on the bed days of life, you will send the signal through. This is the function of the piranha.